Tahirua toru wha.
On the road to make a change, nothing will be the same.
I always wanted to learn Māori.
We live in a nation where we have Māori and English as official languages.
Cultural competency to me, I guess, is being competent, having, a level of understanding of cultural things that relate to your work context.
Te Pōkai Tahi is our program. We start from level 2. So level 2 we consider to be anyone that doesn't have much reo at all. And they can come in and you can come in and start to learn from the very basics.
I think there's definitely a lift in the appetite that people have to understand Māori. Yes, te reo, but also the protocols, the understandings, the behaviours. Why do Māori do and think the way that they do? Providing that for people, in particular those of us who come from that space, grown up in a Māori space, passionate about it. It's a natural thing that flows from us. It's just a real privilege to be able to offer that learning, that knowledge to people. Yeah.
Now that I learn te reo, I notice things I don't notice. I hear people on the radio. Iu mātou. They take interest more so because you're learning te reo.
So it's really nice to be able to feel that somehow I'm contributing in some small way. Children to come to Te Reo a lot earlier than I did.
And especially because I always wanted to learn te reo, it's just the timing. And having the night classes allows us who have jobs in the day to take up those opportunities.
Come to MIT to learn te reo. It's more about being interactive, being part of a whānau base. You get to meet people around you. They're probably doing the same thing. Just the support is there to give you the encouragement.
He aha te kai o te rangatira. He kororo, he kororo, he kororo. What is the food of the leader? It is communication. And that's what we are all about.
MIT, where the best makers are made.